Greetings from Boston. My name is Dr. Irina Dragan, and I'd like to invite you to join me for a one-day interactive workshop exploring the management of complex cases. This workshop is based on expertise developed during an ongoing initiative started in 2014 by clinicians from Tufts University School of Dental Medicine. What would you do if your patients present with multiple failing restorations, severe periodontal disease, edentulous areas, malalignment, and have high aesthetic demands like in these cases? All dentists want to be able to offer the best comprehensive care possible. To facilitate this successfully, we integrate interdisciplinary and interprofessional expertise in our diagnosis and treatment planning. Using a model developed at Tufts University, we will demonstrate how you can apply this approach to real-life cases. You will work collaboratively with the other participants to identify treatment plan alternatives and timelines, as well as clinical techniques and other details pertinent to the case, including costs. If you are treating complex cases in your clinic and are interested in learning more about this topic, I invite you to join us for this one-day course. Thank you.